right, so we're moving over to an open lane. That's why. Ooh, if that's all the damage that was happening, that's perfectly fine. I'd rather have just that than like, hey, look, I got a broken arm. There. So as soon as you see that, we're not even in the other lane yet. As soon as you see that, get back into your lane. Nice little mercy swerve. That's a locating a hazardous situation. That's an active threat. Let's get ourselves back into our lane. All right, here we go. Oh, open lane pattern. Somebody switched over into our lane. Not a big deal. We're gonna go ahead and switch over to the new open lane. We're gonna, oh, I was gonna say hit the mirror, but please don't do that. It's stupid to do that. Nice little GPS phone mount. Okay, get yourself a rock form. Link in the description for that. That's why we have to pay attention, everybody. That's why we have to pay attention. Why is everybody stopped? Why is everybody doing that? We don't know. Like, what are we doing? Is this a bus lane? Looks like a bus lane. So we're passing everybody. We're looking back. We're like, what? We weren't paying attention for that. So pay attention to what's in front of you. That's the biggest thing. And now we're in the bus lane, in the shoulder, panicking all over the place, having to stop. We kind of created that situation.
You can't just pull over somewhere. Don't stay in the road, man.
He can do whatever he wants. You need to be paying attention. It's not his job to keep you safe. It's your job to keep yourself safe. This guy pulled over for whatever reason he wanted to do it for, and you should have been paying attention. Simple as that. Here we go. Oh, drop the bike. Drop the bike. Not a big deal. It's not an emergency. Just go ahead and pick it back up. It's okay. Make fun of him for a little bit. Move on. Good job, Cool Breeze Rider.
This is the third time it's gone down, so...
Third time. You're gonna die on that.
No. They're so much fun. Thanks for that. Appreciate it.
Yeah, that's how you handle it. That's how you handle
You
it.
had to say that.
Yeah.
Don't kill me. I literally did it.
Yeah, is it a threat? Hey, you're gonna die on that. Are you gonna hit me? Are you gonna kill me? Are you? You're scaring me, lady. All right, going around this nice little mountain. Love the view. Just cruising. It'd be a shame if we crashed into the side of the mountain because we weren't paying attention. All right, here we go. Hospital flip. Oh! Passing people on the inside. Okay, whatever. That car decided to turn. Now, they probably weren't supposed to be turning from the far right lane, because we're looking at it at a different angle here. Far right lane to make that left-handed turn. Weren't supposed to be doing that, so what can we do? Not much. We can take that exit with them. That's pretty much it. We're going to swerve into the exit, and we're going to meet everybody else at the meeting spot later. Talk to each other in the car. I was like, hey, I'm taking this exit. The car cut me off. Massive impact, though. Okay, what's going on? Oh, something fell off. Okay, something fell off. Let's go ahead and move over. Good job. Interesting thing to see. Yeah, here we got some music. So we're lane splitting.
It looks as if this rider didn't keep the right distance and such weather conditions especially.
Oh, is he gonna run into us? Is he gonna run into us? Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it? He's gonna do it. Are we gonna apply the brakes pretty hard and he's gonna, oh, no, just panicked. Had to lay her down. That's what laying it down looks like. So we're coming up to here and we're like, I'm gonna slam the front brake and lose traction on that front tire and dump the bike. We're gonna try to catch it with our leg. It's not gonna work. So what do we do instead? We do progressive brake pressure. We don't do this. We don't slam the front brake. We do progressive brake pressure and maintain a space cushion so we don't have this issue. All right, we're cruising through, having some fun with our friends. Hopefully nobody low sides because we're going faster and faster and faster around the corner. Oh, sharp left corner coming up. Hopefully nobody does anything. Very good. See, this is what I'm thinking when I'm doing a group ride. I'm just nervous. This is why I don't do this kind of stuff with people, because they like to act like idiots and then low side like that. And there goes the bike. So we have to maintain our control, remain calm ourselves, ensure our own safety. We can use the time stone to reverse time so that doesn't happen, but it's going to keep happening because we just opened up a new branch of timelines in the MCU. And then Loki's in charge of this one now, I guess. So, and There goes the bike. Yeah, all over the place. We're in our own lane. That's oncoming traffic.
Of a friend was a huge experience.
Sharp right turn coming up ahead.
Into the biker, but the same can be said.
Looks like he's trying to get his attention. That's why you guys have cardos. Talk to each other. You don't have to get side by side and do hand signals. Grab yourself a cardo Pack Talk Edge so you guys can chat with each other.
Come.
Why?
He went down.
See, that's why you can talk. So he went down on the crazy little roads in the corner. So planning your ride, locating hazardous situations. Corners are hazardous situations. He went down. How are we going to rescue now? So real quick, I would have somebody around that corner over there slowing traffic down. Okay. Of course, it's a S1000 double R. No gear whatsoever other than a helmet and gloves. Come on, guys. Wear a jacket. If you're going to be... You spend that much money on a bike, wear gear. Wear gear. You can afford that bike. Not... Well, your insurance is going to have to pay that off. Wear gear. Who cares about your keys? See how panic kind of kicks in? Don't know what to do. Thankfully, it's a nice grass runoff, like on a track. Imagine if that was a cliff. Imagine if it was a guardrail. Imagine all these different issues. Like, even grass. Look at this. Look at his shirt. Imagine. And this is a kind of cool view here. So grass left some grass stains, right? That's point of impact. That's impact, right? Now imagine if this was asphalt. That's where it's hitting. So look where it's hitting. It's hitting on the shoulder. It's hitting on the side. It's hitting where some of the back protector would be. It's hitting all the abrasion areas of your gear. Your nice little cotton shirt is not going to stop it, even on grass. Yeah, if you can afford this bike, you can afford full gear. Yeah, let's get a nice little walk around. Today, we're looking at the BMW S1000RR after a low side crash in a corner. Take a look. Let's go ahead and do a bike review here. We have complete damage of the whole bike, and that's it. That's the review. Here we go. Nice little cruise with some friends. Hopefully nobody crashes into anybody else because vehicle stopped. We kind of saw this a little bit earlier. Yeah, just kind of cruising, having some fun. Hopefully nobody hits me. There it is. And we're dead. Nope, he's getting up. That's good. That's good. All right, Kev Biker. Wow. Oh, you're going to have to swerve out of that. Okay, line of sight issues all over the place. Any pedestrian's going to come out. Any car's going to come out. We're all over the place. Come on, dude. Just cruise with traffic. I get it. In this area, you probably have to ride aggressively. I don't like parking behind people. Oh, what do we got here? Little tight? A little too tight? You're not going to make it. You're not going to make it through that. You're not going to make it through that. You're not going to make it through that. Stop. Get away. Get away. Just get away from those people. Like, why are you so close? What are you doing? You're all over the place on your handlebars, and... he's going to blame everybody but himself. He's going to blame everybody but himself. All right, so somebody's pulling out. We're in a car. There's the motorcycle. Ooh, got lucky. Got very lucky. Barely even swerved. Don't ride like this, guys. Don't ride like this. All right, engineering gone wrong. That's his name. All right, so we're coming around the corner, just kind of cruising. We have a merge area. Find a way to merge. That person's coming over because they want to probably get into the right lane. Not a big deal. What the heck was that all about? Oh, geez.
Okay, no citation, all right.
No citation.
All right, just make sure you slow it down for me. I know these things. I'm there. I want one of these, so. Really? Yeah, it's cool.
Nice cop.
Sorry about.
All right. TNB motocross. Nice chill ride. No audio. Coming up to a stoplight. That's an intersection. Be careful for anybody stopping hard in front of you. Now that guy wants to come over. That was a nice little open lane pattern. You guys see that? So we're coming up to here. That white vehicle wants to get into the right lane. This vehicle in the back doesn't want to be behind the white vehicle, but if I have to, I have to, you know, if I'm the car. But hey, look, I see an open spot. I'm going to go for it. I'm not even going to look. I'm just going to do it. That's an open lane pattern. So we're coming up to here. This is an open lane. They already started, but this is an open lane pattern. So if you see something like this and the vehicle isn't completely stopped, always assume that they might want to come out. So you approach this nice and gentle, nice and easy, to where you're able to swerve out of the way. You're able to brake. You're able to just kind of move a little bit and get away from that. So if you see that, be cautious, because that can happen. Good job positioning all the way to the left. Get away from it. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. All right, here we go. Cruising, having some fun. Okay, somebody came out. Good job positioning to the other side. Handled it. All right, here we go. Nice little left turn. Is this person going to switch into your lane? Don't hang out in the blind spot.
Drive and use your phone.
Oh. We got a Karen, a male Karen. What are the male Karens called? Who cares? Just move on with your life. You have more problems in your life. You don't need to be solving others. Cruising. Oh, random car. Okay, let them have it. Whatever. Roll off the throttle to increase your space cushion. Let them have it. Whatever. They took it. You're not going to win that fight. It's a lot of non-issue things, a lot of problems that aren't really problems. Just move on with your life. But grab yourself a slice of pizza and get out of here.